Alright guys, quick video for you today. Today I am working on a 2012 Chevrolet Cruze, and the issue with this one is, as you can tell, well, it has major oil leaks all over the place. One was coming from the oil cooler, and the other one is coming from the timing cover. Now, in order to do this job properly, you have to take and you have to remove the chains and set your timing and all that pretty stuff. So what I'm going to do is show you where your timing marks are onto this vehicle and a way to lock your cams in place so you're able to remove the chain without damaging anything. So the first one we're going to come down to is, I'll give you guys some light, is with your crank pulley. So on your crank pulley, as you can see, there's a little circle. I don't know if I'll be able to point to it for you guys. Right about there. Try that again. Here. So there's a circle on your crank pulley, which is right here. Now this circle has to align with this mark that's onto your timing cover. Once you do that, your vehicle is at top dead center, and it is the only circle that is on to the crank pulley. You can go around the whole crank pulley, there's no other circles whatsoever. So you have this mark that has to align with this. Now don't forget that you might have to rotate your crank another 360 in order to line up your cams, and I'm going to show you why. Because you also have to lock up your cams. Now, I made my own makeshift lock with tools that I had lying around the shop. So if we come over here, you will see that this is my lock for my cams, which is right here. Now the cams are slotted, and all I did was just take a pair of C-clip pliers, and I'm just sliding it into the hole to lock everything in place. Now this side is the exact same, and you'll know if you have to turn your cams, if you have to turn your crank an extra 360, if this is down at the bottom, because I'm gonna try to show this to you as best as I can. If you can tell, the top portion is actually a lot smaller than the bottom portion, so you cannot lock your cams in place if if the engine isn't at the top dead center. So this was just a quick video to show you guys what I did and where those timing marks are in order to do this job if you have to take off your timing cover and remove your chains, which in my case I have to, because I am replacing the gasket, and there's a couple of other little things that are involved with this job, and I was gonna make a video for it, but this job is my first time doing it, so I'm learning as I go along, and I didn't want to give you guys any bad information. So the next time I do one, I will be filming it for you guys, and so you guys can have a repair video for a timing cover job on a 1.4 liter Chevy Cruze. Sorry, there was another little part to the video and I forgot to mention it, is this car also had a insufficient heat issue coming out of the vents, and I'm going to show you guys what I had found. This is your thermostat assembly that sits up into this area. It's part of the water pump assembly that's over here in the corner, but this guy sits up there. Now what I had found to be the issue was, I don't know if you guys can see, there's little tangs right here that are supposed to be holding parts inside the thermostat together. So basically, let's run and get that. So basically, the way that this works is you have a spring that sits under the wax portion of the thermostat, and then you have this guy that's supposed to be compressed and held into place by the tanks. So when you push it down, it's like this, so it's basically just your return spring for the thermostat assembly. Well, this one is actually completely broke. And that was my no heating inside the vehicle issue. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.